All right, number one is an addition problem. 23 plus 782 plus 412 plus 84. So we are doing the ones column first. Remember, every number has a decimal. There it is. We just don't utilize them. But we know to just add up the ones. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cannot put your 11 down. You're going to have to carry your 1 over because you have digits in the tens. I always take my high numbers first, so I'll do 8 plus 8. That gives me 16, 17, 18, 19 plus 1 gives me 20. And again, you can't put your 2 down here because you have digits in the hundreds. So 7 and 4 makes 11. 11 plus 2 gives you 13. So 1,301 is your answer. So make sure you're making changes on your warm-up paper, but you do not have to change your answer key. Okay, just change, make sure you don't make these same mistakes. Number two, I'm gonna fix this just a tad bit here. A little spacing issue. There. Okay. So we are going to do in this one 5 minus 2 because you're always starting in the upper right hand corner. So 5, counting down, 4, and 3. Can you do 3 minus 7? So you're going to borrow from the 2, which becomes a 1. And that what you borrowed was actually 10. So if you add 10 plus 3, you get 13. So this is going to be 13, counting down, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6. 1 minus 4 cannot do. So you are going to borrow from here and make that 11, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. You can bring your 0 down or you can just leave it 763. Number 3, 9 times 9. 81, very good. How about number 4? Good. And that little number tells you how many big numbers you need. So you need 2 of those. You multiply them, and yes, 49 is the correct answer. Round to the nearest 10,000. Or it's not 10,000, is it? Millions. Let me change that on this. Nearest million. Okay. So we know that which digit is in the millions? The 7. Every number has decimals. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Here it is. The rule states look at the neighbor. And if the neighbor is 0 through 4, the underlying number you keep. And if it's 5 through 9, you don't be shy. You add 1. Thank you, Taylor. All right, so we have a 0. What am I going to do to the 7? Keep it or add 1 to the 7? All numbers after? Good job, Tyler. And all numbers before? Yeah, you got to make sure that you bring down this 5 and this 4. They stay the same. Alexis, are you making those changes? So 457 million on number 5. What are we rounding to number 6? Do I have that one right? Yeah. Okay, so 100,000. So here's 100,000. Whoops, excuse me, that is not 100,000. 100,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. The 4. The 5. What are you going to do to the 4? Nice job. He's on fire. 4 plus 1 is 5. All the numbers are 0. And you keep the 3, exactly. So 3,500. In a few days, you guys are going to be doing some Halloween trick-or-treating. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see how this all plays out. But you look down here and you try to figure out which numbers look alike. So what should I underline that are very similar? I'll take that. That's a great answer. All the Z's. And now you're just going to work left to right in order. So you're going to want to do subtraction first. What's 6Z minus 1Z? And now remember, we don't put a 1 there because Z only represents 1 anyways. But what's 6 minus 1? And what did you not use? 2z and the 3, right? So we just bring all those down. And back to what Stefan said, go ahead and just combine the z's. So we still have these two here. 5 plus 2 gives me 7z. And can you combine the 3 with the 7z? No, you cannot. So there's your answer for today. And the only way you would be able to solve this is if I told you what z, the value for z. All right. And the last one, what's perimeter mean to do? Not multiply. I heard someone say it. Add. So we're going to add 6 plus 10. 16 plus 6. 22 plus 10. 32 millimeters is your answer. Make sure you are labeling correctly. Now you could have done 6 plus 6 and got 12, and 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 12 still gives you 32. Any questions there?